What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Insurance Auto Auctions. We're going to jump into this today with number one on my list. How about we get started with a 2012 Ford F-150. It's supposed to be a run and drive with 174,000 miles on the odometer. You got fuel wheels. You got some Nitto Terra grapplers. Of course, very common to see those. This is a very popular tire and a great tire on top of it. It's an FX4 off-road edition. It is hail damaged. She looks pretty good. The tires are in usable condition. They're not brand spanking new, but they've still got plenty of life left on them. Flex fuel, that tells you all you need to know about the engine. 5.0 liter Coyote. Oh, dude, really? Really? Okay, that's that's a little overkill. Oh, she's got hail damage pretty bad. You got a rollback bed cover as well, which is really nice. I would drive it. I wouldn't let the hail damage concern me. Hold on now. Look at you trying to fall off the car there. All right, let's take a closer look at her. We'll open up the back door, see what it's like on the inside. Of course, we got to sniff it and see. Oh, actually, this is nice. This is real nice. Real nice. Nice dark tinted windows. You got those weather, I don't want to call them weather tech, but you know what I mean. Durable floor liners, floor mats. Big old honking side step there. It's got power too. It smells good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Fired right up. Not an issue, man. Change engine oil soon. All right, you got diff locks. All your 4x4 controls right here. Trailer brake right there. Very nice. Air conditioning. Somebody's already turned that on for us. Put it back in two-wheel drive mode. The brake, is it set? It is. All right, so what lights do we have on the dash then? Nothing. There's no lights on the dash. 8.7 average miles a gallon. Holy crap. That's bad. That's real bad. My TRX gets 12.5 on the regular, so that's something. Let's put her in gear. What does she do? Backwards. Yep. Forward. Not an issue, man. Not an issue. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. AC is nice and cold already, so that's nice. Important window does work. That window works as well. Headliner looks good. There is no sunroof on this one. Probably for the best with that hailstorm, or this thing might have a moldy interior. There's your Coyote. Purring like a kitten, man. Solid. Rock solid. Quiet. Looks dry as a bone under there, too. Very nice. Let's go back to this exhaust, see what she sounds like. Oh, yeah. That exhaust is ridiculous, guys. I'm serious. That's too much. That's too much, but whatever, to each their own. Oh, that is not one of those grandpa tailgates. Nope, she'll come right down on top of you. All right, can you dig it? I like the old girl. Nice deep tone to that exhaust. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Storage, glove box, we got some paperwork. All right, well, dude, she fired right up, man. She's got a little bit of miles on her, but that Coyote's a good motor. It is. I guarantee you could buy this and drive right down the road. Am I gonna buy it? Nah, I don't want it, because I got no use for it. But honestly, This thing's nice. This is definitely worth bidding on. Next on my list, it wouldn't be a proper walk around if we didn't have a BMW in the mix. This one is a non-runner. We don't know anything about the miles. We don't know anything about it at all. 4.4 V8 though, so it's an X5 with the 4.4. Good tire on the front. We'll have to continue around. She's squatted on the back, not to worry if you can get it running. Air compressor should raise that up. We got a Touring GT radial tire on the back as well. Somebody's been into the electronics. Yep, so it's got a matching set of tires. Oh, this window's left down. Oh, that sucks. Is there even a window in there? There is. The window's in there. We got a missing headrest. Yeah. Needless to say, I'm not feeling good about this one. One of the things I noticed through, let me see if I can get you in here, this back door. Oh, really? Really? Yeah, she's dead, and it looks like she may be locked. Nope, she's not. Okay. Boy, this thing is rough. Wow. Cigarette ashes everywhere. Seat backs falling off. Pockets ripped off. This thing's had a hard life. Hard life. But what I noticed was somebody's been into the fuse block back there, so rearview mirror's busted off. Yeah, this thing is screwed, guys. Damn. Anytime I see an X series, particularly the X5 and the X6, I love these things. So anytime I see one, I need to at least go check it out for myself. We'll go ahead and attempt. Really? Okay. We'll go ahead and attempt to get it running. It doesn't hurt. It's got keys. So we'll see what we could do with it. Maybe we could at least get it to fire up. But I'll be honest with you, I don't want this thing. I doubt you do either. Ugh, window's been down this whole time. Can I even reach down there? Good Lord have mercy. Oh. Oh no. Well, she may already be popped in. And if that's the case, that was a total waste of time and energy. Yeah, she's popped. That's nice. All right. Here we go. Whew. Oh, man. I inhaled something. I don't know what that was, but that doesn't belong there, that's for sure. All right. Let's grab the jump pack. Let's see what she does. I got a feeling this one ain't gonna do nothing, man. Nothing. There's poop all over the top of the motor. Literally, there's poop and pee all over the top of the engine. This thing, it may crank, she ain't gonna run. This has been parked a long time. Well, it says she's got power. Let's see. With any luck, maybe we can open that door from the inside here so I can climb. There we go. Let's just do it that way. Oh, there's no power at all, nothing. Nothing. Well, that's serious, because I'm feeding her all the beans, and she ain't doing nothing. Let me double check. Yeah, she's got juice, and it's retaining some of that juice too. I wonder what happened. Let's try down here maybe. Yeah, she's not getting any power at all. All right, there she goes. It's feeding her juice again. If we got nothing on the dash, like nothing is coming to life in this. Not a thing. Yeah, nothing. Busted off rearview mirror. This is sad, man. No lights on the interior coming on at all. Well, I guess they're right about this one. Hell, I thought it'd at least try to crank. I thought it would do something. It's got a battery, because when you turn off the power, it still shows 6 volts. So the jump pack has stuck a little juice into her, and she's holding it. There's something Something very wrong there. Like I said, when I saw the cover to that fuse block removed back there, who knows? Who knows what's happened to it? Mice, rats, squirrels, and all kinds of stuff been in this car. This was not for us, guys, but that's okay. We got one more to go check out. Last on my list, 2009 Pontiac G8. Is it a GT? And no, it's not. Of course not. Of course not. It's still a sharp-looking car, man. I think it is anyway. This is from Wheelsy. Supposed to be a run and drive with something like 150,000 miles on the odometer. She's got a spare tire back there. See, this is concerning right now. It looks good, right? The car itself, she looks good. She really does. I like this. If it was a GT, I'd be all over this. But here's the part that just gets me. All right, when you find all this dead vegetation all over, I mean, it's all over, stuck in the spoiler. That tells you this car has been setting a long time. What the hell is this supposed to be? Yeah. Stick-on air deflectors or air diffusers. That really makes the car fast. So do these stick-on fake vents and the stick-on fake hood scoop. I don't know if you guys know that. This car has got to be at least 550 horsepower. At least. 0 to 60 in a good, what do you think? I'm thinking it could do it in 3.8. I'm thinking 3.8. Anyway, back to this. Continental Pro Contact on the front, good tread. Tire on the back also has very good tread. This is a Preza, I don't know, but it's got good tread. Let's check the other tire out real quick, and then we'll pop the hood. Oh yeah, that's right. That one's a donut, and this one is something completely different. A luster Käfer, something like that. Hood closed. Let's check out the interior. How bad could it be? All right, honestly, not bad. Not bad. Doesn't smell. I mean, it doesn't smell great, but it's fine. This is fine. This is normal. It smells normal. Nothing crazy going on here. Let's see, how's the front seat look? Ooh, yeah, bolsters are blown out. That's common. That's common on the G8 and the GTOs. Bolsters blow out like that. The interiors just are not the best. Oh, wow. 150,003 miles. That front seat over there is trash, too. Look at that. She's tore up pretty good. No way. Are you kidding me? Service engine oil. Oh, she died. She died. Let's see if I can I adjust this seat? Could you stop beeping? That's interesting. It did fire up. Is it out of gas? No, it's got gas. It's got that blah punkt. Is that how you say it? Blah punkt? I don't know. Nice little radio, though. Check engine. Yeah, I figured that was coming. Let's do auto and turn the temperature all the way down. Let's see if the AC works. You know, if you put some seats in this thing, it wouldn't be all that bad. Important window works. Important window works. Headliner is good. That's nice. Air conditioning, I'm thinking no-go on that. I'm thinking no-go on that. I'd like to figure out how to get over to the actual AC off. It says AC's on and recirculate. She goes right into gear. Forward and backward. Not an issue. She's running about 1,000 RPM. She's still cold. TPMS light, check engine light. AC does not work. And that's fine. Steering feels good. The brake pedal feels good. Oh, that's not the hood. Well, where is the hood? Further back? Where's the... There it is. I definitely want to pop the hood. I would like to pop the trunk as well. There we go. make sure she's in park. I got run over by a cougar the other day, and let's just say I'm a little leery of cars running over me now. It's got a set of jumper cables. You got your original rim back here. Date code on this tire is 11 of 20. Good tread, but obviously something happened there. It's a relatively new tire, but you could tell by all this, like, this car has been sitting. She sat for a while. All right, let's look under this hood. You know what's under there, right? Isn't it a Cadillac derived 3.6 liter? I'm nervous standing in front of these things now. Yeah, there she is. There she is. That should be the old Cadillac 3.6. You look right here. 2009 3.6. She runs damn good though, doesn't she? Smooth as silk. Okay. Makes you wonder why a car like this was parked. I know it's not the GT. I know there's no LS under the hood. Just a 3.6. But do you not think it's still a good-looking car? I think the car looks great. I really do. I think the styling has really aged well with this car. It looks phenomenal. Even a V6. This one needs a little bit of work. Who knows? Maybe it's got a bad transmission. Who knows what that check engine light is on for also. Probably would be nice to put a full set of tires, you know, like all four. Get 4 matching tires would probably be good. A couple of front seats and clean her up. Overall, man, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Am I going to bid on this one? I'm debating it. I don't want to tell you I'm going to. I'm definitely thinking about it. It runs great. It really does. I'll bet this car is fine. Either that or it's got a bad transmission. You got some stickers up here. Oil change at 113. Oil change at 148. This was 8/13 of 22, so this is interesting. Lube Max. I don't know where that's at, but Dyersburg. And that was 8/13 of 22, 149,000 miles. So she either just got serviced or is just now due for that oil change that's listed up there. So somebody was driving this, and they were definitely driving it in another state. How it ended up here, I don't know. I said this was wheelsy, didn't I? Yeah, they're just a car buyer. You know, they'll buy just about anything, running or not. So who knows what the deal is with this car? I'm tempted to throw a bid on it though, guys. What do you think? Comment below. I know it's not a GT, but I still like it, and I think, assuming the mechanicals are relatively good on it, we could probably get this thing running and driving nicely for next to nothing. Well, I hope you guys and gals can forgive me for a relatively short walk around. It's hot out here, man. It is so hot. There's a little bit of a breeze, which is nice, but I mean, the sun is just like, it's baking me. It's baking me. I can't drive my car around here where I can sit in the air conditioning and cool off. So, you know, cameras get warm, I get warm, and I can only do this for so long before I gotta go. But anyway, I think we had some great cars on the channel today. If you enjoyed them, hit the thumbs up button and let me know you enjoyed the vehicles you saw today. If there's anyone in particular that you'd like to see me bid on, drop the comment below and let me know what you would like to see. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I truly appreciate it. And if you think your friends would enjoy this content, feel free to share it on social media. It goes a long way to support the channel. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.